You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. On this episode of Back to Basics, we're going to be removing the dash cluster surround and the cluster itself. You don't need the steering wheel off to do this. The steering wheel's off because I need it off anyway, and it makes it a little bit easier for you to see what I'm doing. But you don't need to remove it. But what we do want to remove to make this job a little bit easier is the steering cowl. The top of this should just be able to pop off and be pulled out the way. You don't really need to remove this bottom part of the cowl. If you don't remove this, just be careful when you're removing the surround. When you're pulling it, you don't catch the cowl down here on these bits. But I'm going to remove this anyway, as it needs to come out, and that's just held on with 3 bolts underneath, 1 right there, and 2 at the front, 1 either side. Now we can remove the dash surround or dash cowl, whatever you want to call it. There's no screws or bolts holding this on. All we've got to do is pull it away from the dashboard. But you got to be careful when you do this. Because you have to pull it this way, we need to be careful of the wiper and indicator stalks. And we've got to be especially careful of the trip reset button. You can grab this wherever is comfortable. I'm going to first stick my fingers behind all the steering controls and pop the bottom out. Now I can get my fingers behind the cowl at the top and pull it away. Now we can get to the screws that is holding the dash cluster on. 2 down the bottom here and 1 up either side at the top, up there. Now we can gently pull that cluster away, but you won't be able to pull it too far. Then if we look through the windscreen, we can see the back of the cluster, and we can see 3 plugs that need unplugging. A little bit different to a Mark 1, as the Mark 1 has a physical speedo cable that goes in the back of the cluster, but on this, all we've got is 3 plugs. And now you can carefully lift the dash cluster out of the dash. So that is how to remove your dash cluster cowl and your dash cluster out of your Mark II or Mark 2.5. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments down below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.